Take one minute. Hey guys, I am back with another video, another unboxing. Today we're gonna test this case. It is a honey case, it's a Chinese case. It's a replica of Lian Li Dynamic case. So let's check what are they providing, the quality, the case look. Let's unbox this case and see. The packaging for this case is not very good. They even don't give a bubble wrap or a foam to cover this and secure it. Very poor way to shipping a case. So this is the case. It's almost cost $100, $100, and it's cheap, but not really that much cheap to get this type of quality. We can get 3mm cooler here easily, and we can also get a vertical card in it. Have a vertical mount built in. Okay, so guys, that's it. I will add some pics on YouTube, a short video what it look after building a PC in it.